Jack, are you excited to get in the bath with Maya? Are you excited? You want to get in? Okay, let's get him in. Let's get him. Okay, a moment later and now you're already splashing. That's great. You have to share nicely. Can you give him something to play with? What can it? Jack, stop. No, stop it. Jack, excuse me. Jack, look. No, stop it. No. How about the king? Play with the king. Just making a mess. Just a mess, huh? Look at your face. You're all wet. God. Stop it, Jack. Stop it. Jack, stop. I'm all wet. No. Mama's all Jack. Stop it. Jack. Oh my God. Jack. I'm soaked. Please stop. No more. Jack. You are so sick. No. Come on.